don't get mad when I show you up here.
I'll do it. Go for it.
Starts raining and stuff, you can see all the logs. They'll shut the lake down. There's so many logs. Definitely. A little cricket seems to be the tick. Well, folks, we're fishing a brush pile that's 16, 17 foot of water, and it's a big one. I can't do this all by myself.
My mojo's not here. I'm a Belton Lake fella, and this is, I'm just in foreign waters right now. This is like,
oh, it was a fish. Doggone it, Jesse.
This is like the Amazon to me.
Belton's a hard lake, man.
It is a hard lake.
It's you know, people that don't know, Belton is a hard lake to fish. That's the lake I grew up fishing, you know, and you catch more gaspers than anything out there.
You know, I
on
feel
Belton.
good about, you know, I can get out and scratch at least 10 catfish.
Well, we finally got into them, but none of the cameras are rolling. I thought I'd do this. I'm getting whooped right now by Mr. Mareno, but I'm gonna catch him.
He's been asking to sit on my lap and reel fish in, but I won't let him.
You hear that? He's saying I'm trying to sit in his lap so I can catch some fish. I don't know. This microphone on here so y'all can hear better. That might help some. Alright, let's catch some more crappie. This is the new brush pile. We're riding around, happen to find it. It's up and down deep ledge. And this is what it looks like.
Tie ball game, boys and girls.
Whoa! That looks like it might keep.
That'll keep. If I can not kick him in the water. It's soccer week, right? It's football season. Go!
Well now, how many is that, Mr. Dave, that you let jump back in?
I've kicked him in.
Oh my goodness.
But I think I'm 5 ahead of you now. I think that's 5 over you, so I think I'm at 8.
5.
So
I think he's right. He's on him. but they're all little bitty. You know, it ain't nice to come on somebody's boat and just whoop them like you're doing in there. That's not cool, Dave.
If you're just joining us, welcome to Big Dave's Crappie Craze. The channel's been hijacked.
I think he's right. I'm gonna make him walk home from here. There you go. Holy moly! That there's a crappie.
Oh, calling, baby.
Oh, no. There we go again. He's gonna kick it in, folks. He saved that one.
Oh, look at my rod laying. Almost threw my new rod in the water.
Show that, honey.
That's a good one right there. That's
oh,
a
man. People say color don't matter. Yeah, I think it does. You know what I mean? To a certain extent. There you go. I am just getting slapped.
$10.
I'd be ashamed to show that in front of the camera, though. Be honest.
Not.
Man said there ain't no shame in his game. All right, folks. Hey, I sure hope y'all enjoyed that short little video. I want to apologize. I had a lot of problems with audio. That's why there was a lot of silence in some of the sections there. But anyway, that was Mr. Dave Mareno that was in the boat with me. Dave happens to be the winner of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Dave lives down around the Temple Belton area, which is 35 miles south of here. And when he said he would come up and pick up his prizes, I invited him to go out on the lake with me and do a little fishing, and we did. The catching wasn't that good, but we had a great time. But one thing I do have to say is, Dave, I want a rematch. Folks, he spanked me. He gave me a spanking out there, and I do want a rematch, Dave. Hey, to my other subscribers, the ones that have been getting in contact with me, hopefully I've been able to answer some of your questions and help you some. I'm no expert. I always tell everybody I'm not an expert, but if I can help in any way, I will. And hopefully I have helped somebody. And the ones that I've just been talking to, like Chris down there in Florida, man, I really appreciate talking to you the last couple of weeks. You know, hopefully we'll stay in contact, man. I mean, you know, whether you got questions or not, any of my subscribers, you're welcome to get in contact me and just shoot stuff, and or if you have any questions, if I can help, I'd be more than happy to help you. But anyway, hey, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Dave, I do want a rematch. I did have a lot of fun, and I've met a lot of my subscribers, and I've fished with quite a few of them, some of them on video. Some of them don't want to be on video, and hey, that's cool, but it's still fun to fish with every one of you, and hopefully I'll meet more of my subscribers and get out there on the water with y'all too. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, God bless. Have a good one.